Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a desktop shortcut for your Workspaces in ChequeSystem on Windows platform. This feature is designed to help you manage different companies more efficiently by allowing you to launch specific workspaces directly from your desktop. First, let's start with creating a new workspace. Input the name of your workspace and specify the folder location for your workspace. Look for the option that says Create Desktop Shortcut. Simply check this box. Once you save the workspace, the shortcut icon will be automatically created on your desktop, saving you time when switching between different workspaces. If you already have existing workspaces and want to create a shortcut for one of them, it's easy. Just go to the workspace you want to edit. You'll find the Create Desktop Shortcut button available there as well. The desktop shortcut will feature the same icon as ChequeSystem, but it will be named after the workspace itself. This makes it easy to identify which workspace you're launching, ensuring you can quickly find the one you need. One of the great advantages of this feature is that you can open different workspaces simultaneously. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple companies at the same time. And that's it. Creating desktop shortcuts for your workspaces in ChequeSystem is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching.